How to turn off message notification for one person on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off message notification for one person on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You can mute a friend on Snapchat to get fewer notifications from them without unfriending the individual. To do so, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are logged in. And now go to the chat section and further tap on the conversation you want to turn off notification for. Now, tap on their profile icon on the top of your screen and then tap on the three dots you see on the top right of your screen. In the pop-up menu that appears, tap on the notification settings option you see there, and now go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for both mute chats and mute calls and set it to your preferred timeline. I will set it to until I unmute them, and this is how you can turn off message notifications for one person on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.